So when we're looking at preparing an income statement, we're supposed to have a format that looks like this. Well, income statement written here, and then you have two columns. First column is for calculation. So normally we only have two columns. If you have three columns, it's fine, but most of the time you only need two. But statement of financial position, however, we need three. So we have labeled all of these with the black box that we need to put them into our income statement, which is our purchases, expenses, revenues, and sales. The income statement is to calculate how much profit that we have made, or if we made any losses. So the first one, we need to calculate our sales. You have to think whether you need any form of adjustment to your sales. If there's an adjustment to your sales, for example, like sales return, then we need to put sales in the calculation column because there will be an adjustment, and reduce it by the sales return, how much money that, or how much amount of items that has been returned after selling it out. So once we're done already, we calculate the amount, or the sum, or the difference, or the total that we calculated will be written here. After you calculate, it will be this way down and then to your right. So you're going to shift it to this column. So this one you can see it's actually 199,281 minus 258, which is sales return. So once you got that already, we need to calculate the cost of goods sold. Means how much did we sell, or the cost of the goods sold. So normally, if you are doing a more complex one, you might need to involve your inventory. But however, this is an easier version, so you do not need to have your inventory. So we're just going to use purchases here. So look again, purchases 118,548. Do we need to tweak the figure? Yes, because there is a purchases return. So we need to use this and write in the calculation column and write less purchases return. And put it in brackets. Bracket of 803. Close the bracket. So I'm just going to write 118,548 minus 803. So as you can see, after we've done the calculation, 118,548 minus 803, this is my cost of the goods that I've sold. So I need to minus this as well. 17745. 17745. I need to minus this from this in order to get my gross profit. So now I'm calculating my gross profit. So I'm going to take 199,023 minus 11775. This is how much I've earned on a gross basis, meaning that after I subtract the cost, I earn 81,278. Okay, after this, I want you to add any revenue. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. So most of the time, there's only one, most two. So in this question, you can see the revenue has been ticked red in color, which is discount received. So I'm just going to write it here. Okay. Now the question will be, will I need to total anything up, or will I need to adjust this amount? The answer is no. So I do not need to write it in the calculation column. I just write it at the end here. Okay. Now there will be a calculation here because this is going straight downwards. So this is my profit. When I have a revenue, my profit will increase. So I just need to add these two together. 81,278 plus 782. 81,278 plus 7. 82,060. So once I get this one already, then I need to less my expenses. All my expenses should be reduced. Now I need to total them up. So bank charges. So I cannot minus one at a time because that will be too tedious. So I'm going to sum it all up and then I'm going to subtract it together. So 387 done. Cleaning expenses 114. All right. Insurance. Office expenses. 31286. Okay, so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts, yes. So we're gonna total it up. So if you are using Excel, you can just like sum, open your bracket, click the first one, put this, put the last one, put this, a bracket, and get your sum. So I can't use it like that because I cannot put it in a bracket. So what I need to do is I need to retype it. 54236. Okay. And then last one, in order to calculate my net profit, I take 82060 minus 4,236. So 27,824 is the final number. So I'm going to write a line on top for the calculation here, and then a double line to show that this is the end, where this is the net profit. After I get my net profit will be put into my statement of financial position. So now let's prepare a statement of financial position. We need to use total assets is equals to liabilities plus capital. Center all of this. So statement of financial position, first we normally start with our non-current assets. So non-current assets will be furnitures and fittings, and that's it. So again, think, do I need to make any form of adjustments here? No. So I'm just going to put it on the last column, 27,500. So nothing already, then I go to my current assets. My current assets will be my purple color, petty cash and trade receivables. So think, do I need to total them up? Answer is yes. So I need to put it on the second column because I need to calculate one. So I need to put it one before the last column. So I'm going to write 32 and 2,804. So I'm going to total them up here and underline it to show a calculation. And I'm going to get 2836. Okay, now I'm going to total both of these up because these are my total assets. So I'm going to write 27,500 plus 2836. 30,036. This is my final amount. So now I'm supposed to calculate my liabilities plus my capital. So I'm going to find if I have any current liabilities. Yes, I do. I don't have any non-current liabilities, so I don't need to write them. My current liabilities will be bank overdraft and trade payables. Okay, so bank overdraft will be 1028. I need to add, okay, so I need to put in the column before the end. So I'm going to equal to these two add together. Draw a line for calculation. This one's done. Next is your capital. Okay, I need you to understand this. Whenever there is a profit, our capital will increase. Whenever there's a drawings, our capital will decrease. So we need to write it here. 26,346. But I need to add and I need to minus. So I need to add my net profit. 27,824. Then we can get an amount here. 26,346 plus 27824. A number here. So I'll show a calculation, and then I need to calculate again because I need to reduce drawings. I'm going to write here in bracket, drawings will be 30,385. Draw a line so that it goes to the last one. You see? So it's equal to 54170 minus 303. So then we're going to total these two up, and then we're going to get okay. So now at the end, when you see both of them are the same, it means that you have done everything correctly. You didn't miss out anything. All right. So that this is a way to check whether you have done your statement of financial position properly and your income statement. If this one doesn't balance, it means these two figures here, they do not tally. It means that there is some mistake or there are some mistakes that's been done either here or here. So normally we check here first because it's easier, then we're only going to check it here.